How to make money on Temu affiliate program. Let's get started. Temu affiliate programs allows you to earn commissions by promoting Temu's product. Whether you are a vlogger, social media influencer, or content creator, you can monetize your platform by sharing affiliate links. Once you have gained access to your unique affiliate links and promotional materials, first up you can find products to promote. Browse through Temu's extensive product catalog to find items that align with your audience interest. Choose products you genuinely like and believe in, as this will make your promotions more authentic and effective. Content is king in affiliate marketing. Create engaging blog posts, videos, and social media content that showcase the benefit of the products you are promoting. Use compelling call to action to encourage your audience to click on your affiliate link. Social media platforms are powerful tools for affiliate marketing. Share your affiliate links on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Use hashtags and collaborate with other influencers to expand your reach. Track your affiliate links and monitor your sales to see which products and strategies are working best. Use this data to refine your approach and focus on what's driving the most income. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to making money with the Temu affiliate program. Well, that's a wrap for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.